and only. This is my scooter. Alright. We'll go up to the groups. These are just normal MGP groups. These metal bars. We'll go to the bar ends. Just they nearly kind of the same. Pretty shit ones is MGP. Alright. This is my Cotter Clan.
It's the final.
Kinda. It's half of Cotter Clan. Yeah. This is just mutt bolts in there. Yeah, this is my headset. It's MGP. It's pretty shit. It doesn't really work. This is my silver MGP sign. It's pretty shiny. Alright, goes to the forks. These are dog shit forks. I think they're called. Yeah. This is just a Score Medical from Gold Cross. Alright. And this is my Eagle.
It's yak.
It's Eagle.
It's yak.
It's Eagle.
Is this yak or eagle?
Ask anyone. It's
You don't have that white shit
Put
in
on
it.
your comments. Yak or eagle?
Alright, it's my homemade flex fender. It's a ruler, pretty sexy. Done it last night. It's pretty good. Lockie's dad's gonna grind it off. Alright, MGP deck, MGP bands and razor expose. And yeah, this is my screw check. And this is how solid it is.